Пам-парам-пам-пам. Ага, 54. Okay, let me see. Okay. Hello everyone. Again. So, let's like talk about like Bitcoin right now. What is going on? As you can see, like we dropped from here like almost 3%. And it's only because of news, like this news. So yes, employment reports for September, we drop like we have a like low percentage of it, and if we had like employment in unemployment report um a bit higher, market will move. This is like what I expected from it, but unfortunately um we went down kind of hard, like almost 3%, which is sucks. But okay, like let's look at SPY, especially like let's look at our. This is like here like order block, and this zone, this like red candle. It's like a big order block, and probably we will bounce from here. So we can move this line. So I'm expecting us like bouncing like from this zone or this area at least. We already broke the structure on the hourly at least. We broke the structure, took this volume. Okay, let me see like one position right now. Just like looking for one thing that I'm interested in. Okay. Okay, let me see. Mm. Yeah, one sec. I need to open some long position right now. We continue. Okay, so what is going on right now? As I can see, like we have a huge amount of volume right now, and probably we will bounce here because like it's a huge order block on like 4 hour on hourly at least. Yeah, as you can see here, this is like our order block, and this is like first target, and I think we will hold it. I think so. But because if we go deeper, well, it's not gonna be bueno. Because I'm expecting us to go somewhere, like probably bounce right now and go like somewhere here. There's this order block. and maybe something like this. So like on today's session, we will slowly climb. Probably Monday we'll climb again, and then we'll like drop. It's like this is what at least I will will looking at. About Bitcoin, we have like one thing that I'm looking at right now. It's like this order block right here. All like this zone, this one, this one. It's a huge order block, and this is the bottom of this order block. So I expect Bitcoin, even like if we go down here, we will like maybe test this trend line or test this order block where we like bounced and go up till 209, 290, 21, 100, and then we're going down. Because I don't think like we'll go down now. It doesn't make any sense. Yeah, with this like last pump, because last pump didn't do anything. Like we went up and this like pool of liquidity, we still have it. So probably we will bounce here because I don't see like any other reason like for us to go down. That yeah, we have like huge pool of liquidity. And what's the point of to of um drop now to take this like pool of liquidity and what we will see. We still have this zone, this one to test because like because a lot of people want a long here like the people people will long in after this breakout on this trend line because this trend line goes through 69,000 and and people will be longing here for a while now. It's been like almost like 3 days and I don't think there's like stop longing. So with this move, we just like took like liquidity from this zone, this one, because like most of the guys like put their stops right here, and we took it. And also, it's a big volume as well. Not as big as the previous one, but still kind of big. And we still have 2 more hours, so I'm expecting volume will be like on this level at least. Because again, it doesn't make any sense if we're going down here. Like check like volume profile. Yeah, so it's such a huge like volume resistance here. Maybe it will be weakness till like this level to test this trend line. So it's gonna be like breakout of the trend test and people will start long on this retest and we can go higher. I can't think about anything else. So I have like two options. So we took this liquidity from this level. To took this level, then we will bounce from here. We go like higher, then drop. Another play, less likely. We will keep going down till 900 and 19,200 to get like to test this trend line, and after this test, we're going higher. But it's gonna be shit because a lot of people will start longing here, And I'm pretty sure we will drop from this level, from this one. Mm, what else I can see here? hmm About SPY. Well, it was the great pump. This was short squeeze, by the way, 6% because there were a lot of shorts here and people start and basically this is what happened when we have a lot of like puts instead of calls. It was like 1 to 2. Okay, what else? Let's go on lower time frames, like 1 hour. SPY. We're still in the air right now. We're sitting on resistance. Probably will break the structure. So it's low, pumping higher high. Like will be higher low. So higher high as well. And it will be lower high. And when we broke this trend, this one, broke this line, we made new low. So we can bounce here like this and then keep going down. But again, I don't think so because we oversold. This is what happened when you oversold on a SPY. As you can see, we like pumped. This is like very divergence on the other side. It was right here. Kind of tricky to be honest. Market is super unpredictable. Like like 5 weeks ago, I could have said where Bitcoin goes, like buy the dollar. Right now, it's like almost impossible because if you look like here, it was basically a normal reaction, and this is like was 3 drives at top. It's like when we have like three lows. So we have low pump, low pump, low pump. And here we should break the structure, and we broke the structure like on this zone. We broke it. You see? Then we ideally supposed to go like right here, maybe like a bit lower to test of this order block, then bounce and go higher. But market didn't give a fuck about what I want in my analysis, and we just like went down. But it probably was news reaction, and we will see how it goes. Mhm. Mm, what else? You asked me about. Let me see. Can you show about reversals that is high, high, lower, high? Can you see what to look at? Okay, let's see. Let's see. Um, find it. Okay. Mm, okay. Yes, this is how it looks like. Let me see. Uh, like swing high, swing high, swing high, swing high, swing low, swing low. As you can see, this candle should like absorb this one. Same here. It goes like swing. Yeah, so it's like this is uptrend. So when chart is going, when price is going up, let me show you. So profit is going up. Yes, it's uptrend, right? So this is gonna be like higher high. So let's say that it was like low low, right? Oh, you can see it here, to be honest. This one, you see? Perfect. So this is low low, right? Lower low, then higher high, then it will be higher low, again higher high, because this point, this one will be higher than previous higher high. Then again it will be higher low, because this one lower and this one higher than previous one, and higher high. When you enter the trade, you have to um, check the structure, because when we're breaking the structure, it means like we change the trend. So right now it was like, let's say like on 5 minutes it was on trend, right? So as soon as I broke last high to low, or high, fuck, high to low, yeah. As soon as I broke this high to low, it's on this level, right? This is like breaking the structure. I basically, this one, right? So we broke it, we made them lower low, and we change the structure so it's a downtrend now. When it's downtrend, look at this, downtrend, it will be lower low, then we have a higher high, higher low, lower high, as you can see. You see? Then we didn't break, but we broke a structure here, but it was weak break. So the thing is, it's a weak break. At least we should see like body of candle above this line. If we see body of candle, then yeah, we broke the structure. If we see like tail or like skeleton of candle, it, it's a fake. It's a fake one. So um ideally I should have opened short position right here, because it's like it was retest basically this lower high. No, yeah, lower high. It was test of it, and I should have opened like short position here and closed my long position, but I didn't do it, unfortunately. And I could have make some good amount, like 2% on BNB. Then here, like we made lower low, as you remember, lower low and lower high. So to start longing again, I basically should have wait when we go higher and close above this line, then it will be retest and we go higher again. So it should be something like this. So in this moment, let's say like we break in the structure, right? Then we should open position right here on this zone. We cannot open position like right here because we will go lower, and this will be called. If you like, by the way, if you open short position on this zone and we're going down, after it will bounce hard, this box will be called mitigation block. Mitigation block. And price less likely even like will be test this zone because people will be trapped on this short positioning. So this is like what I expect right now. Mm, I have to watch on a SPY. We tested this order block. As you can see, we took liquidity from here and here we closed this gap that been like for a couple days, right? And what else? So ideally, like we took liquidity from this loy and this loy. It was double loy. We took liquidity from here. It's like on 5 minutes, so it's not like relevant, but still. Um, let's go on like 50 minutes. Oh, we still have this like double lows. If we check 1 hour, yeah, we still have it. We took this double lows right here. We filled this gap. As you know, like SPY doesn't like gaps at all. So it was like this gap. We also oversold on the other side. So, because the thing is, if we're going lower on SPY, if we're going lower on SPY, we like already like highly oversold on 50 minutes. Mm, why we can go like lower for what? Take liquidity from this zone, tons of liquidity under this line. But if we go lower here, um, the problem will be I don't think we will recover because like it will be dead cat bounce basically. Because look at this, it will be something like this after huge drop. If I remember 15% or something, yeah. 14% drop, and this is just dead cat bounce. It means like we will go lower. So it's gonna be fun to observe like next few hours. Let's see. But probably we'll go lower, unfortunately. Because this order block is dead already. Mm, Like, I don't know. With super oversold on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, And as you can see, every time when I've been like oversold, even like on 15 minutes, we bounced. Like bounce, bounce, bounce. It was bullish diversion, by the way, as you can see here. Mm, what else? Let me see on Ari. Fill this gap. Maybe we can go here to fill this gap. Because under this level we have liquidity here. And we have a huge order block here. I'm not looking at Bitcoin because there's no point. It's like connected to Nasdaq and SPY right now. Nasdaq decided to just, oh my god, it's dropping so hard. Mm. We'll see if it fills this gap. We touch on a SPY gap too. As you can see, like indexes just dropping so hard, but Bitcoin doesn't give a fuck about it, which is extremely, extremely weird. Mm. What about VIX? Mm. Okay, VIX been, let me see. Okay, um, index of fear. Why? Mm-hmm. We could expect it. If we break, when we see like it's double top on the weekly right here on the wicks, so it's more likely we will go there to this zone. Again double top, again double top. There's a huge amount of liquidity here. I can bet we will break. We'll break it. Where we can go? We can go here. We can go here. Here. Eventually. Because we also have a lot of liquidity like on the bottom. All of this liquidity, you see. Um, Double bottom on the Bitcoin. It's a huge trend line. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's look at SPY. It's gonna be huge this week if we close like this. Oh my god. Imagine how like powerful seller is if we drop almost 4% on this candle. We have to close at least 700. Otherwise, we'll go lower. Have a gap here, probably on the monthly. As you can see, it's like monthly gap. Also, like it's a huge order block, and we almost hit him. This is like it was mitigation block. It's this order block. Also, if we what is the block structure right here? But I kind of expect SPY to go up. Let me see. 15 minutes right now. Um, no. Yeah, SPY fielded. We're just going straight down. Imagine we dropped almost 2.5% from the beginning, which kind of huge. Like people expected here because look at this. Basically, again, you see like it was so made low, right? Um, it's lower high. You can see it's downtrend, right? Because when we broke this low, like, and it's like it's a higher low, higher low. We broke this trend and we go up, but we didn't break structure. We didn't make a new higher high. So it's like low, and here it will be lower high, then lower low again, lower high, lower low again, lower high, lower low, right? So here we didn't break a structure, we made a new lower high, and this one, it was fake one, because you see like we didn't close it with a body, and we just like, so we just took liquidity, like it's like was a tail, and we took liquidity from here and we dropped. So right now the question is where we stop. So here it's mitigation block right here. It's gonna be orange. This one is mitigation block. So usually we bounce like 50% or like 0.5 zone of it. So this is like 0.5 zone right now. And we'll see if we bounce from it. I'm pretty sure we will bounce because like we just look at this, like where last time? Yeah, last time we never saw it like this, only September 13. And let me see what happened on September 13. We will bounce, dive in, and nothing good happened. But at least we bounce, you see? Yeah, it was huge. Like I made so much money here. But yeah, I think like we will bounce. And as you can see, it's not such a big drop. Here we had almost like 6% drop. Right now we had like 2.5%. Um, let me mark this on. Also, I like how my position in bouncing right now, because it was a bit risky, but I took position here on BNB because I really like this coin. It's like super strong. If you see, it's like it doesn't go like it's not so volatile as in other coins. Because let's be fair, Binance is the biggest exchange. So okay, let me see. Let me see what company you wanted me to look at. Hmm, what about Ethereum? Okay. Well, yep. Nvidia, classic Nvidia, opened like with a drop. I remember I told my friend to short Nvidia. Fuck, what I seen. Something like here probably. And you see, like we open like with a gap here on a daily, and gaps will be always filled. So if we will look on like 4-hour chart, we will like correct it a bit so we can see better. So I'm pretty sure we will fill this gap. At least we will touch it. We won't go straight down. But news about like economic news right now is not so great. Mm. So on 4-hour we just broke structure here on the BNB. So we made low alloy, and ideally we're supposed to bounce back to fill this gap on 4-hour, and then like this is like how it's supposed to work. We have like this gap, right? Have this gap on like 4-hour, and this gap is supposed to be filled always. Not always, but it's a huge magnet. We took liquidity from this zone, but we still like have like tons of liquidity like on the left side. So, and we also made double top on BNB here, here, double like tons of liquidity here, here, here. So I I can doubt that we won't go like lower right now. We did like everything we wanted. We made like liquidity here. We already like oversold. Also huge volume. The scene pretty red on BNB. So we can expect this. So how it's supposed to work? Um, big player like draw like selling their positioning, right? Their position, his position. Or they're like let's be it like single, right? So it's like one huge player, let's say. Like he's selling positions on a coin. So we're dropping, right? Then what we can see, usually price goes like this. We're dropping, then we're bouncing back. I I think you saw that many times. And when we touch this order block or like pivot zone, then let me draw it like a bit like more accurate. So this is like zone, and we're going down hard, right? Going down hard. Then we will slowly recover. You've probably seen many times, and then this is how it's supposed to be. This is like one of the picture. And see, we ideally we can see it here because like it was like huge order block. You see, like if we say bigger picture, we went down, slowly recover, and went down. But again, kind of hard to tell because like unfortunately it doesn't work in like this anymore because of a lot of manipulation on the market, tons of it. Um, let's see on Bitcoin. SPY. We bounce here. Where can we go on this bounce? Can we recover from this bounce? So this, like, can we recover like 4%, 4.4% on the SPY? Hmm. Mm. Maybe, maybe we can, but we have to come to this zone, 370.51. Also, let me see, like 1 hour. We will have, well, it depends on how this candle will close, but we have a gap here. So, and SPY doesn't like not filled gaps, as you remember. So most likely we will go here, at least like touch this zone. It will be 1.2%, and then we can drop. So something like this. Because we took liquidity here. I don't know like if we need like take liquidity from this zone on the left. Yeah, okay. We'll see. Okay, I think it's all for now. This is like my vision on the market. Um, I will keep you posted, but I'm pretty sure we will not go lower. Because with this amount of volume that we had, you see like we didn't drop. And if we check like, volume profile, like first resistance that we might have will be 288, because yeah, and also here we could have some volume that will stop us. Okay. Anyway, thank you for the listening and visit my stream.